Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the problem x squared minus 9. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression and find the solution. For x, let's get started. First, observe the expression x squared minus 9. Notice that 9 is a perfect square because it can be written as 3 squared. Now, rewrite the expression as x squared minus 3 squared. This step highlights that we are dealing with the difference of squares, where one term is x squared and the other term is 3 squared. Now, recognize that the expression is in the form of a difference of squares. In algebra, the difference of squares allows us to factor the expression as two binomials. Specifically, we can express x squared minus 3 squared as the product of x plus 3 and x minus 3. This step alters the problem by breaking it into simpler components that can be more easily manipulated or solved. The expression x squared minus 3 squared now becomes x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Since we have fully factored the expression into its simplest form, this step completes the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.